What the fuck? Oh my god, God. Oh my god, that's the shot of the year right there. That's his strut position. Pain's coming out. Oh my god, you can feel it. Oh, that's so fucked. Ugh. You can feel it go like that. Oh, that's fucking psycho, man.
Imagine that biting you.
It'd fucking hurt. That would really fucking hurt. Don't touch the end of that stick either, there'll be venom on that.